It is Tuesday, and that means
It's time for
a Tuesday tip of the week.
Yep, that's what it's time for. Tuesday tip of the week. And Deb has gone nuts, y'all.
I was already nuts, but I'm even nuttier
nuts.
now.
So we're going to talk about nuts today.
So
in our Tuesday tip.
I was reading about pecans, and I always get these at the holidays. I always get extras.
Me too. I do too.
Because I don't really make a whole lot throughout the year using them, but at Christmas I use them a lot.
I do too.
Now y'all snack on them a lot, right?
We do. We love to snack on nuts. It's our snack of choice.
Do you usually snack on pecans or almonds?
Almonds, yeah.
Well, what I was reading said that if you buy these like I do at Christmas time, don't leave them in your freezer for more than a year. Okay. It said to throw them out. I don't think I would throw them out.
I would just try to use them.
Try to use them up before like a year for sure.
A couple of pecan pies or something like that.
Right. And also it was talking about the nuts are even more flavorful when you put them in the oven. And we made a recipe recently. I don't remember what the recipe was.
Toasted pecans.
Where we toasted the pecans. So I didn't realize how much better they were when they're toasted.
It was that toffee bark stuff.
That's what it was.
Yeah, that's what it was. It was so good,
y'all. I was just eating them before we made the toffee bark. I was eating the pecans, nuts. I think, or almonds, whatever you use.
I think they were pecans.
I was eating those separately. So, yeah, they're really good toasted. So that's a great snack to have when you toast your pecans for just like 5 minutes at about 400 degrees. Don't take long.
So another thing about nuts of any kind is they're usually pretty healthy. And some of them are more healthy than others. But I think the number one healthy nut is probably almonds.
That's what I would have thought.
And then walnuts.
Yes, we do. I don't really have walnuts much till the holidays, but what about like a hazelnut or?
I don't know about hazelnuts. I've never eaten a hazelnut.
What's that? What is pistachios?
Pistachios is one of them.
I like those.
Macadamia nuts.
Cashews. What about cashews?
Cashews are like number 3 or 4 on the list. So there's a lot of good healthy nuts. They're high in fiber. They're low in fat, usually. Some of them have more fat than others. But like almonds, they're really healthy.
Really
you can eat a big handful of those for a snack.
Yep. So remember that. Warm up your pecans. Only keep them for a year. And try out some of those good healthy nuts for a great snack.
So that's your
Tuesday tip of the week.